I always forget to check my audio now, my desktop audio. I need to make sure it's always off, otherwise everything gets taken down from YouTube. All right, I see morning crypto wire. Why do I see a message from Joey? Oh, that was yesterday. I was like, why did I see a message at 10:05 from Joey in the morning? So, good morning, Crypto Eye. Good morning, Zach and Dress. Today, good morning, Hemster K over on YouTube. Good morning, good morning. Thanks for being in here right away, getting ready. Today should be the last day of July. So today, last day of July, last day of July. So Isla's back up here. Isla's back in the gappers. Isla's gapper number 1, and then I got SNTI, TBOT again, and Sella maybe. Is TBOT looking good? TBOT look good or not? Why is TBOT up here again? Why can't I find it? There it is. What was TBOT's high? 9.35, and we are up to $7 today. Okay. Just trying to get close to that high of day again. TBOT used to be pretty expensive, so it's just trying to make its way back. So ILA, SNTI, TBOT, and maybe Sella. XELA, which looks bad. Alright, so let me get this out of the way. And then now let's look at these. Good morning, Abe Traits. TBLT looks nice. Detrader, good morning. Zach, good morning. Last day of July today. Either we take it slow and just close the month out, or either we try to get a good trade and make a month a better month, or Brad Rogers, good morning, Brad. So let me look at other ones. I gotta get some of these stocks out of here. SKYX doesn't look bad. Again, this was one of yesterday's plays. Today will be a big green. Awesome. Hopefully it's a big green for a lot of us. Hopefully a lot of us make money today. SkyX doesn't look bad. High of 778 up there. Never hit $8. Looking for $8 break on SkyX. SCL, not looking at that one. ATHX, high of 38 cents. It's a cheaper stock, but maybe we start getting some plays if nothing else decides to run. PTPI, not that one for sure. Stem from yesterday, no, I don't. This one was kind of slow. TNXP has been grinding slow all day. B, no. Open, actually Open recovered a little bit right away. Okay, but no, probably not. PHG8, no. GOVX. GOVX is holding on these levels. GOVX is holding all these levels. We never hit 250 on GOVX. I think a lot of buyers and a lot of sellers have been accumulating on GOVX for a while. So if it rips one of these times, GOVX might actually make a nice move. And GOVX has room. GOVX has room. We haven't broken out of the 200 moving average. If we do, that takes us to $3. We've hit $4, almost $4 before. So keep an eye on GOVX. PGY. PGY has a day of momentum, a day of not momentum. Day of momentum, day of non momentum. Right? Yesterday was day of, oh, I guess it was 2 days of momentum. Momentum, no. Yes, no. Yes, no. But this looks to me like it's on the way down. And it's too risky to trade anyways. Tide was a bad stock. BTTX. BTX looking nice, but I'll just keep an alert up here for that one. Cold, no. TTD, no. ANGH, no. NAC, no. These are some old ones. CMRA. CMRA, I watched it all day yesterday. This was my bigger loss yesterday. It was small because I had small numbers yesterday. But I watched this all day for a $4 break. Never got it. And then we got it later on. But if I go back and look at it now, it still looks kind of like choppy-ish. Like all of this right here looks choppy. Not until you got up here at 392-ish. Then volume came in, which is still choppy-ish. Look at this move here, and then 2 candles down, all the way back down, and then all the way back up within 2 candles, all the way back down, all the way back up. So this one's still choppy. If this one gets volume, then maybe I will start trading it. But if it stays the way it did yesterday, I knew better not to trade something with low volume like that. ACHR hitting highs, Reline no, FFIE, try that one time. Dang, FFIE got sold off so hard. BBIG, same thing. SIGA, this stock, man. This stock we knew we would get 1750, and if you just would have held after that for runners or something, anything, 10 shares, 20 shares, 100 shares, 500 shares, instant up another $5 a share. So good morning, Rafiki. Rafiki's calling out Isla. I see Isla. Jofi is calling out Getty. So I'll take a look up Getty, and I think we can see a 50 on Getty as HKD ripped, and also get to 200. What a crazy market, bro. Yeah, did anybody trade HKD yesterday? Just Joe. Good morning on YouTube. SunW flush entry on move below $2, risking 195 for move back up from 210 to 220, 240. Okay, that makes sense. 5 cents of risk for a 20, 10, 20, 30, 30 cent. Dave, no. CCJ, no. VNet, no. EVTL. Hey, look at EVTL. Back up to $9. Wow, EVTL has not. Every time it hit $9 on EVTL, straight flush. Yesterday hit it straight flush. Not flush, but pulled back. Today, again, this is the third time we hit EVTL on $9. This could be interesting this time. The more you knock on that door, the more chances you'll get to break it. EVTL back up to that $9. I'm just scanning through a lot of old stocks. Here's another one that doesn't look that bad. TRHC. Just put alerts on everything, right? Just put a simple alert. It takes 3 seconds to put an alert. Just put it up there, and if it triggers, just always go look at it, right? All right. So that no HKD. HKD $198. That is ridiculous. And that's so annoying because we were all watching it for the break of like $80 or something like that. For the break of 79, I think it was. Yeah, 79. Literally, you could have taken 100 shares, and just been like, okay, give it a stop of less than 50 cents, a dollar, right? As soon as it broke 79, never looked back. But guys, if you're seeing this move, obviously be careful. It's moving not even by a dollar, it's moving by $10 almost, right? Look at the side, right? These candles here are literally like $3 each. This move right here is literally $10 right here. So take a very, very small share size if you trade these. And it's also low volume, right? This thing moved up on very low volume, probably because it's expensive, probably because it's ripping. But look at all these candles here. They have 3,500 shares, 700 shares, 115 shares, 300 shares, 5,000 shares, 1,000 shares, 750 shares, 1,500 shares, 700, 1,900, 77,000. The most one right here is this one right here, 17,000 volume. That's not a lot, right? So be careful. Yeah, HKD was definitely a crazy move. I saw it afterwards and I was like, there is no way. But I've seen moves like this happen every once in a while where you get this slow grinder with low volume that just rips like from $60 to $200 or even more. They happen every once in a while. But these are the ones that even myself, I probably would have left alone just because of that low volume. Some of these pullbacks were like crazy. Like this halt down went from 140 all the way down to 106, instantly down $40 a share. This flush here went from 150, 160 down to 133, almost $30 a share, right? All of these little pullbacks here, that's almost $5 a share. Oh, PTPI fraudulent report. So I was watching his video, and his video was saying that somebody was putting out. So what happened with PTPI, guys? I have 5 minutes. I'll explain this real quick. PTPI. So PTPI had news that acquisition or something like that. And so obviously when you get something like a buyout like that, you're like, okay, are they gonna get buyout by another company? If it's like a big one, then it's obviously a big deal. So stock is gonna run up, right? Um, in this case, the news came out by the company, and they were like, "Yeah, this was fraud. This wasn't us. We didn't set it out." So it instantly got halted and resumed lower. But he was saying that this was done by somebody who was most likely holding stock down here, right? Or no, no, not down there. Maybe like up here. Maybe like up here, right? He was saying that somebody that was back holding the stock was able to come out with that news that pumped up the stock, and they were able to get out either break even, either add some profit or something like that, right? With somebody that had like say like a million shares or something like that, something crazy. But I was thinking the opposite. What if somebody just bought it right here? What if somebody literally just bought it this day, or this day right here, or like even this morning had orders going through right to like disguise themselves, had orders going through at $1, at 150, at $2, and they're the ones that sent the news out too. Wouldn't that be crazy? And then they're the ones that sold the right here at open. Either way, somebody's going to jail. To me, it looked like more like opportunity for somebody to make money as opposed to somebody to try to get out of a bag holding position. I don't know. I don't know about these things. I don't look into them that big. Anyways, Isla. Let's look at the gappers. Isla, we have a high of 242. We never got 250. 242. What is this? That's a 250 mark. I know where 250 is gonna be. I'll take that one away. I'll take this one away and get that alert out of the way. So we reached 2.3, which is the top of that one. That makes sense. 242 is our high. 250 is our target. So far, not bad. So far, not bad on this one. The 200 moving average on this thing is up to $5. So SNTI high of 282. I've seen a lot of lower stocks this time. Like everything is down in the $2, $3. Okay, let me see. This one is SNTI. SNTI high at 283. Same thing, kind of sold off, almost a bounce play. Moving average back up to $3, but that is not the 200. We do have resistance at 2.1, which we already got through. So what's the next level? 250. We already got through that. We know 250 is going to be key though, because even all of these wicks right here are respecting 250. So get over 250 on SNTI, and then you could start looking for a trade up to 283. Sella, very low volume. I'm just gonna delete that one. TBLT, we're holding this $7. We're holding this $7 on TBLT. We have room up to 9. Room up to 9. The 200 moving average on this thing is not up till $34. ILAD support trend line. Urban Trades. Good morning, team. Late to the party. Hey, you're still here. You got 2 minutes to get everything set up. You got 2 minutes to get everything. Hey Juan, I'm stuck in RAVBBU. Any ideas if there's any point selling now? I would always say if you're back holding something, just sell it. Just sell out of it, especially with these penny stocks. Like Just take your loss and forget about it. You're gonna stress over it holding it. You might make some money back, but it'd be almost a miracle for these stocks to almost gap up again and get volume again. So never looked at Getty. I never looked at Getty. It's Getty, right? Getty. No, Gety. Gety. Getty. $35. Crazy. Getty is one also, guys. Play it safe. Play it small share size, right? Am I missing any stocks? We're about to go live in 30 seconds. Am I missing anything? Is there nothing obvious after 30 minutes into the open? Might call it for the weekend instead of forging something. That's a good thing. It's Friday, right? Friday. Let me get the last drink of water. Alright, last day of July as well, so we gotta be careful, Just lock in a green month, or lock in your green week, lock in anything you want, right? Last day of July. So, I guess... So I got ILA pretty much and SNTI. That's about it. Maybe TBLT too, sorry. TBLT is holding that 7, so that's good. TBLT popping up after holding that 7. I want to see, I am very curious what HKD is going to do today. Pulling back to 163. Okay. TBLT. Doesn't TBLT have a really high... Oh no, they have a 2 million float. Good morning, Jesse. Thanks, one. No problem. Yeah, I mean, I've been through that. And I've bag held things, and it just makes me more anxious to watch it every single day. GOVX popping. GOVX looking for 250 on GOVX. We still got that target of 248. GOVX has a good support here at 219 also. This 219, 220 could be good support on GOVX. TBLT pulling back. It's very hard nowadays to find a trade in the first minute. I feel like everything is just not really holding. Sniper Trades is in here. There we go. Good morning team to everybody. If I missed your comments, if I missed your good morning to you. Last day of July today. We got Merson here, took a quick scalp off of 2 on Isla. Okay. Buying the dip, buying support. Sam Sneed, good morning, man. I really like the GOVX down at 219. Look at all this right here. And that was where you ripped through and bouncing off of that. Oh wow, GOVX is flying now. We still have that target of 248. Our next pivot here is 232. After that, we got room to 248 on GOVX. Can GOVX take us straight up to 250 this time? We had a lot of buyers and a lot of sellers on this stock yesterday. This stock had a lot of attraction both ways. This one's the one that had a lot of big bids, a lot of bid asks. Look at it again. Look at this ask stacked on the right side again. 300. I saw 400. They're getting cracked a little bit, but they're still there. We're probably going to try to use this as support now. So I'll add to that support there with small share size. We took us a long time to break through that level, so let's see if we can hold it. The only reason why I'm jumping is because there was so many on the ask, and we actually broke through that. And now the bids are going to come in here and try to stack it right there as well. Cracked a little bit there and recovered. That's a good sign. Dang, I just gave back this week's gains on Isla. That's okay. Keep at it. John is in here. Good morning, John. Looks like a main play today so far is GOVX. We're trying to hold this 230, which is key level. And then after this, honestly, I think we got room to that 248. I think after this we got room. I think after this we got room. I'm in pretty small share size on GOVX, yes. We're trying to hold this 230. I'll give myself... Wow. That was incredible. That was incredible. Did you see how many buy orders just came in there? We're ripping up to 250, I believe. We're going to rip up to 250. There's no way we don't hit 250. This candle has 10 seconds left to close. Watching the close of this candle, watching for that next candle to form, and I want us to rip up to 250. Is it our high 248 or 242? 248. Added a little bit more on this play. I want to see that pull away up to 250. I want to see a big pop to 250. Just like we just had right now, I want to see one of those again. Why is there so many sellers on this stock? It's descaling my position to try to position it a little bit lower. I see EVTL, so it looks like EVTL finally broke that $9. I really think GOVX can keep moving higher. Candle has, I'm going to get in here again and then watch this curl back up. I hate when this active trader moves like this, where I can't see my full position all in one go. This could be the support here. If we start cracking here, then I might have to cut this. I added a little bit aggressive on this play just to see if we get that curl back up. Trying to hold through this pullback, hold this pivot here, and then curl back up. We had a very nice spot, very good volume, so waiting for this to hold and then turn back around. Trying to be patient with this play. We still have a good pivot at 229, and then look at the 5-minute, right? It's pulling back to that level with lower volume. $251 if they get there is your entry on GOVX. Trying to get you there. Trying to get you there, sniper trades. We're trying to get you there. We're trying to get you there. Here's that little pullback off that pivot there. Can we rip again, kind of how we did earlier? Can we get a nice pop? That's what we need here, a nice pop to take us back up. The ask is not stacked this time, so we should try to get a nice pull away here, kind of like that. Nice. I'll descale a little bit just because I have a big position, so I have 5,000 shares left. Now our target is this pivot here. We got to get through this pivot. I have 5,000 shares on this play right now. We got to get through that pivot. What a nice little pivot down there. Maybe people might re-add here for the break of highs, right up to resistance, good volume, a little pullback, get through this level here and take us up to 250. I'll descale a little bit more. I have 3,500 shares left still though. I want to see this pop again and instant squeeze up to 245, 250. Instant squeeze. Kind of how we did down here, right? Like that. But I want to hold this move. I want to hold this move. There. Oh, that's so close, man. The ones you're thinking of tonight. I have to take off a little bit. I have to take a little bit off. We're looking at 250 though. We gotta look at 250, and if we get 250, we might get that next leg up, right? Like Sniper Trades is waiting up there for. What? Look at this nice little pullback. Now watch this 2-4 pivot. 2-4. There we go. Watch that 2-4 pivot there. Hold. 2-4 pivot. Buyers are gonna try to step up here at 2. No man, no. Can we create a bottoming tail? Nope. I gotta cut it. Dang, it was looking like a nice play. Was looking like a nice play. Why can't we get some momentum in this market, man? Oh, I read that so perfect. I read that stock so perfect. I read it perfect. I mean, my analysis on that stock was about as good as I think I could have done it. And only walking away with some 245. Oh, what a letdown, man. What a letdown. This thing is just over and over. It happens every day. GOVX, you were literally 5 cents from 250. At the top of this candle here, I was up 500 bucks, and then extra 5 cents to 250 with 3,000 shares was an extra almost 200 bucks. And could have been up $700-800 on that trade right there. If it would have worked. If it would have worked. If it would have worked. PBR. Now, I'm not gonna do what happened Wednesday and Thursday, right? The reason I'm nailing this plays here in the first 10 minutes of open, the reason why I instantly get, where's the stock at? GOVX. The reason why I am nailing these plays right away is because volume is in here, right? When there's volume, it's easy to pick out pivots. It's easy to pick out supports, right? Watching NRXP. Later in the days, right? We've been trying to watch stock later in the days, and recently the last 2 days was dead. GOVX back up 240. GOVX, if we can hold this 240, that could have been a nice pivot actually on the 5-minute, and we missed it. I got out of it, but it was a VWAP touch. With low, oh, it has higher volume though. We'll say that. So my interest is 2-4, hold 2-4. Wow, this just recovered very nice. This recovered very nice, so I want to see 240 hold. $240 is going to be pretty strong right now. Look at the ask at 240, 252 I saw. We're trying to get 240, hold 240, and I will try to re-add at the add of 240. If we break over it, hold and retest it, I will try to take a trade there. If it starts squeezing up, I might chase this one for a high of 250, but I got to be careful with this one because every time this one tries to move up, it has some pretty nice pullbacks. It has some pretty nice pullbacks, so I want to be careful with that. 240 is our resistance, so look at the ask right here at 240. It's 271, so we're looking at 271, 269 small orders going through. 195, no, that's 238. I don't see anything. TBLT is curling back up as well, actually. TBLT hold of $7. Urban Trades not gonna trade today. Okay, nice, nice, good call. Urban Trades, good call. GOVX now is struggling down here. We gotta have a nice little bottom here. We gotta have a lot of buyers step in to try to get that 240 again. I had a very small share size trying to get the break of 240 with that nice curl back up, thinking I could get it, and now I'm in a losing trade. Now I'm currently low, lovely SPY red to green. I see it. I see it. Okay. Can TBLT? There we go. That break of 7 again took us right back up. I don't know what the next pivot on TBLT though. I know the highs is 9 something, so I'm looking for $9 on TBLT. But right now we're still at $7, so waiting to see. Honestly, I might cut this loss here on GOVX. This would be the place where I should have been adding, but 770 is the pivot for TBLT. Okay, thank you, Samsony. Thank you. A lot of buy orders still on GOVX, but this stock just cannot break 240. Now you're still in a 233. Okay. You're still in a zone where a lot of buyers and sellers are in this stock, right? If we actually rip up through levels here on GOVX and get to a point where we're actually opening up, then we could try to chase some of these stocks, right? Right back up to 240. Look at the stock. Right back up to 240. Is this... Now we know there's a lot of people buying this stock. This dip down here, I have never seen a dip get bought up so fast. It got bought up and instantly popped in the same move. What stock did he call? NRXP? I'm out of this stupid play. NRXP he meant, I think. PBR. EVTL $9 refuses to hold. Isla kind of TBLT. Look at TBLT. TBLT, very nice move up here. Looking for a retest of the 7.4 real quick. Small pop back down. Didn't even get that pop down. Isla was looking like it's trying to make a low bottom there. I could see Isla doing that. What's the stock that I was just looking at? GOVX. GOVX, I got stopped out on my second trade. Lost like another $100 or something. Looking for GOVX to break and hold 240, and then I won't take a trade again until it breaks and holds 240. I see a firm on my momentum scanner. And TBLT is trying to make a nice little move. So TBLT, after that $7 rehold, right? After that $7 rehold, we're opening up 1 minute flag, please. I was waiting it for this pivot here. I was waiting for a flag down to this level here, and I was trying to. You entered 747. Okay, so you got that first dip. That's what I should have gotten in. I don't know, for some reason I was looking for 274 to pull back a little more. Tesla hitting new highs, man. Going to leave TBLT alone, I think. Low relative volume with no news. Quick skeptical off of it. That's okay. That's okay. We gotta see. Is GOVX still in this 5-minute flag? Kind of, but it's making almost inverted hammer candles, and I don't like that. And then let's see what else we got. Isla is still the kind of that support, but this is not a place where I would take a trade, so I'm gonna leave that one alone there. AMTD, that was one of yesterday's plays. AMTD. I see you trying to make a move. I see you trying to make a move. I do want GOVX. I mean, I just want GOVX over 2-4. Here we go. GOVX again back up to 2-4. GOVX back up to 2-4. 2-4 again. 2-4 has 240 on the ask. Down to 196. 195. Up. Look how strong 2-4 is. To the penny again. There's that 7-4 on TBLT. That might be it. HKD is halted on the way up again. Wow, it hit 200. Well, I guess kind of almost a flag there. GOVX 240. I probably shouldn't be watching GOVX just because it's the way it's acting now. I don't know. That TBLT 740 pivot ended up holding a little bit. Look at that. I'm sitting here waiting for 7-4 and I never took it. 740 again on GOVX. I have a feeling if we break through 740, 750 will hit right away. Oh, did we break it right there? I didn't see if orders went in at 741. I don't think we got 741. No, we hit 740. $740 ask is 139. Restack to 162. Restack to 159. $164. Nobody wants to buy 240. 186 now. It keeps going up. 241. There's orders at 241. Here we go. GOVX. Still looking for this 250 on GOVX. Now they're going to restack up here at 245. This is ridiculous. This is just going to straight up spawn up to 250 if it breaks this. 10 seconds left on this candle. No, I just don't think I can trust this. I just don't think I can trust that. AMTD, you had that nice 1-minute flag. Somebody called it out. Somebody called out this 1-minute flag on AMTD. Good job. What you? Nope. Getty didn't do anything. HKD 245. Are you kidding me? How is this stock moving so? Look at this. Somebody just bought 400, 200 shares up here. 213, 100 shares, 190. Bro, these people have the biggest nuts I've ever seen in my life. Buying 400 shares at 254. Jofi, you're in at 209? At 209? Oh my gosh. Everybody give Jofi a nice little emoji or anything. Jofi is in HKD at 209. Bro, you're insane. There goes GOVX again. Look, Mercer got GOVX at 239. Okay, nice little pullback there. Mercer, nice, nice. Sniper Trace is probably still waiting up here at 251. Oh, he's out, he's out, he's out. Awesome, awesome. GOVX has been, how much? GOVX is going to break 250. I don't know about that, Jofi. I would have grabbed my profit too. You saw those unhalts yesterday and how low they were? How it literally spawned lower? And I mean, the stock is up $200 a share from yesterday's open almost. So, way to lock in 600 bucks today. Way to lock it in. Way to lock it in. 20, yeah, you made like almost $50 a share. I don't think I've ever in my life made $50 a share. Or actually, I know for a fact I've never made $50 a share. Here goes GOVX, right? We're still kind of sellers. We haven't really taken. Oh, what is that, man? TBLT, is that a 5-minute flag? This definitely was that pivot there. Either that or take $600 for the day, man. $600 for today on a Friday and last day of July? That sounds good to me. Shoot, if I was up $600 today, PTPI stock is nuts. Well, this stock did used to be somewhere around $1 before all that crazy stuff happened. You guys are seeing the 5-minute flag on TBLT. Adding down here that 7.4 was key. GOVX is literally what's anybody know off the top of their head the oh never mind. 12 million float on GOVX, and why is it moving like it's got a billion? GOVX literally moves like it has a billion float. TBLT possible dip buy. Yeah, actually, this is a pretty low volume one. TBLT. Did you add on this pullback right here on TBLT? HKD went. Oh, it's unhalted now. Yep, an instant drop to 230. Instant drop to 240. TBLT, I mean, to me, this looks nice. This looks like a pullback here with this pivot here. Look at the 5 minutes. Low volume on the way down. Mersa did grab some. Okay, I think I'm hesitating too much in some of these plays. GOVX, again, reclaiming, bouncing off of 240 and trying to reclaim 244. What a nice dip by Mersa. Good job. Even if you're not making a ton, you're nailing the bottom on some of these. 739. Another good buy right there. The high of today is 777. Hey, somebody said 770 pivot earlier. Good job, good job. Want to see if we break this downtrend now. Actually, that really was a good buy because look at that. 2 lineups right there. I bought here to try to join this push back up. See if we get the curl back up. That was a nice dip buy down there. See if we get the curl back up here. TBLT trying to break this downtrend and kind of holding it right here. Can we hold this little break of downtrend and curl back up? See, these are the ones that sometimes I don't understand either. You have a perfect dip buy. That's a good 5-minute setup. And then now this is where the next 5-minute candle should form and start. Okay, now there it goes. There it goes. This should be where the next 5-minute candle starts forming and starts moving higher, right? Where's the next 5-minute candle making new highs? 761, which is this right here. So 761 will take us to the highs. 761 is our next pivot right here. Look how many flat tops there's at 760. GOVX back up to 250. GOVX, nice curl back up, good volume back up to 250. I'm watching GOVX is holding 249 right there. TBLT is now getting squished into this zone right here. What is going to happen right here? The only thing that I doubt with this is the stock. This stock has just been trading so much recently. Limit orders will have you chasing. I have to take a look at NRPX. I have to take a look at NRPX. Once I get out of this trade, I'll go look at it. GOVX holding 249 still. Oh, nope, 247-ish. Are you still holding this, Mersa? I'm readjusting my downtrend a little bit. Still no fill on GOVX. Yeah. 251 is your fill on GOVX. TBLT still testing this downtrend as well. So now it's at a pennant. So TBLT's got to pick away now. It's at a pennant. Hopefully not down. Hopefully up because I'm in with 1,000 shares. GOVX is impressive. The way that GOVX moves with that much float is impressive. With that little bit of float. This is gonna fall. I've done the same thing Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. PTPI ripping. Wow. I've done the same thing Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. The same thing every single day I've done. This is incredible. I don't know what to do. Like I don't know if I should just take one trade a day. Oh my gosh. I don't know what to do. I don't know if I need to take one trade a day. If I would have taken one trade a day and called it a day, yeah, I just think it's lack of volume. I just think like I got in Wednesday. Wednesday up 700, give it all back. Thursday up 300, give it all back. Today up 250, give it all back. Oh, it looks like Sniper Trades has failed on GovX. It's just frustrating. This is just why we just gotta focus. Even now I'm getting, yep, you're right, NRXP, NRXP. NRXP. 83 cents. $2.38 is your stop, right below that 2.4. It looks like you're still in so far. NRXP trying to curl back up. NRXP, really nice push up here. That's 500,000 shares there. Can we break this 83 cents? I tried a very small share size before I was able to get fully in on this break of high days here. I want to see if it pulls away. Very small share size. These super small. Look at that HK price action. No technicals for stock like this. You're right, Jovi. You're right. You had some. You had a nice trade on it, but I would leave it alone now. There goes TBLT again. Curl back up. Look at this. TBL NRXP wants $1. Is it still moving higher? I thought about it. My first instinct when I saw this was maybe $1. Trading bullish momentum in a bear market is tough. Yeah, that's exactly what we're doing. That is exactly what we're doing. But, you know, break even, get a small profit, even small loss, right? Even if you're losing a little bit in this market right now, That's okay. Once we get into a good market, into a bull market, and penny stocks heat back up, you guys are gonna be killing it. So just right now, pay your dues to learn. Think of calling it a day. Nothing is looking obvious right now, and don't want to make an unnecessary mistake going into the weekend. That's also smart, guys. That's also smart, right? Know when to call it, know when to not, know when to trade, and when to not trade. I probably should have called it after being up 250 again. I probably should have just grabbed my profit and walked away. Friday, end of July, end of the week, end of everything, right? Now TBLT wants to go. See, Mercer, that same pivot there held. Same, man. Now I'm down 60. I gotta call it here though before I have another big red day. Okay, okay. Hope your hope yours all have a good July, and hopefully there's a bit more momentum in August with Spy doing well over the last week or so. I'm looking at TBLT right now. Yeah, yes, sir. I just don't like playing the second touch. That's what I thought too. Still a good move left on Tesla. It's right up to 870 almost. Where you're calling it? Almost right up to 870. Uh, Zach is in on TBLT at 730. So he did buy that second dip. Sniper Trades is hanging on to GOVX by his fingertips. Okay, who's spamming my YouTube chat? That is ridiculous. Sniper Trades was hanging on by 2 pennies. He's in Dex lobby. HKD is halt after halt. NRXP at resistance 85, gap to fill to 130. Oh, back up to this. To 130, I see it. NRXP, nice. NRXP, we're gonna want the dollar on this thing. NRXP now trying to get decent volume now. Now it's starting to pull away. Flag it on the 1 minute. NRXP looking to see if this one wants to pull away to 90 cents. Holding this pivot here of 86 is what I'm looking at. I was looking left. Always look left and see what that previous resistance was and see what you can use as support now. Always look left. Always look left. NRXP holding that pivot, looking left a little bit. Now we want to see this curl back up to that 88, all the way up to 90. If this stock wants to keep taking shorts out, we have to keep moving fast. We can't consolidate so much. This is a nice consolidation now. This is a pull away after that flag. Get us up to 90. A lot of sell orders now, so be careful here. Are you gonna short, Jesse? Are you shorting Tesla at 870? NRXP back up to this pivot here of 87. It is impossible to look at the level 2s on these things because they have so many digits. Here we go. This is a level to break. There we go. Nice little... I didn't mean to sell the whole thing. Are you kidding me? I thought I had 500 shares selected. I thought I had 500 shares selected. Now watch. This is the one that instant pops up to $1. TBLT. Did any of us also catch this 1 minute flag with me here on NRXP? Anybody else catch this 1 minute flag here on NRXP? No, I'll probably have a pullback, but I'm thinking 890. By the way, guys, good news. Andres got in. Did you get out already, Andres? I took my profit. I meant to only take 500. Damn, I got buyers from those comments. It's not a real site. It's gonna start buying Tesla for you automatically. TVLT, that 756 is key. Holding 1,000 runners. Yeah, I meant to take 500 and hold 2,000 runners, but oh well. Let me see. TBLT breaking this. I think this 761 is still kind of important on TBLT. But look at the volume though. Even though now we're trying to move up, the volume is actually still going lower. It made you short the SPY. Hey, it might actually play out. I think oh, there goes TBLT. High is 778. $30 seconds left on this candle. TBLT opening up now. TBLT opening up. 770 is trying to hold now. Waiting for this candle. I'm not going to chase it here, but I'm going to wait for the candle to close and see how it's looking then. I might try to catch a nice little flush profit taking. Nope. I could not. Zach, I think you were in there, right? 246 on the day, Juan. I am done. Good job. Just got out of TBLT. Same sniper trades. Limit sell at 787 and 751. I get so excited when I think like you pros. NRXP again. Oh, there we go. Oh, wow. I didn't mean to add at the very top, but I'm looking for $1 on this thing. I'm not in the mood. Looking for $1 on this thing. We know $1 is right there. Looking for this dollar break. Looking for this dollar break. 4,000 shares left. Can we get up to $1 on NRXP? Can we keep having this volume come in through here? We're so close to $1. Candle's about to close. Maybe a small little dip on this one. I want to capitalize on this. The dollar is very likely to break through here. There we go. There we go. Keep pulling away. Keep pulling away. Don't do me wrong, like always. Why does everything do me wrong? Still holding 1,000 shares on here. Andres, you had your 1,000K runners. Nice. We called the flag down here. Nice. I got it fully out of it and rejoined this play up here. And now we're trying to get another curl back up through $1 again. You sold 101. There we go. I probably could have taken a bigger share size, and I was getting ready to, but it spiked up first on me. But we're still going to try. You're up 3 for today? 3,000? Oh, 350. Wait. Oh, $3. You're up $3 today. Oh, sniper trades. Looks like your trade on GOVX didn't work out. Sorry, man. It's okay. It's okay. Way to stick to your plan, though. $3, yeah. I don't know. I don't know. Sometimes you Tesla's on a roll, yeah. I was able to jump in a little bit heavy on here. At the top of these candles here, I was already up 250 or something like that. And didn't pull away, right? I want to see the $1, 1.5, 110, something like that pull away. Another, could have been another $500 winner. But did not keep working in my favor. So I'm still holding 1,000 shares down here. I want to see if we get a retest of one, hold one, and then get that move now. But 1,000 shares is not going to make me rich or poor here, so just waiting patiently to see what it does. This could be a nice dip, also pivot off of this M pattern on TBLT. Oh, TBLT flushed after that 780 touch. I'm away for a 5-minute setup here on NRXP. Took a loss on that, minus 300, but made 500 on TBLT. Okay, okay. Made 35 on TBLT. Took half size only because I'm sick and I don't have my mental at 100%. Good job, John. Good job. That is awesome. You can control it, you know it, and then you act on it. 2-3 level on GOVX. Yeah, yeah. But GOVX has had several attempts at 250 and hasn't broken 250. Broke it by 3 pennies. But just that in itself, having that many attempts up there and pulling back to 2-3, I don't know. I'm gonna cut this one. I don't know if I'm green on the day now or not. But these numbers are so nah, they're fine. They're fine. Last day of July. No trade for me here. I'm out, guys. Enjoy the weekend and see you guys Monday. Keep VWB on watch. Oh, I forgot to say what the good news were. Good news. I mean, just good news for me. What, my watch list disappear? My, why is my watch list disappearing? My LLC got approved. Bro, LLCs are expensive, man. How much do you guys think I had to pay to open my LLC? By the way, I am up finally $134 today, small day. So look at all the chat on YouTube. Naked Sex XYZ, best adult dating site. That's the first time that happened. 10K? No, not that much. 2K on LLC. 7 grand? Okay, never mind. Maybe it's cheap compared to y'all guys' numbers. Closest one was between Sniper Trades and John. It was close to $900 for the LLC to make, and I didn't even go through a lawyer. A lawyer was charging me $2,000 to $5,000. A lawyer was trying to. Okay, now look at NRXP. 5-minute pullback to this pivot here of 90 cents. Um, should have been like 60 bucks. What the heck? No, it's because most of it is like the fee of the actual state fee, and it varies. And Texas is on the pricier side. No, it was easy to make. I just went online and did it. But I talked to a couple lawyers and I asked them, and they're giving me quotes of like $2,000 to $5,000 for it. And I was like, you know what? I'm not doing that. So I went online and I did it online and had to wait for it to get approved. But it was still, I mean, it was still almost $800, $900 for it. For real. So I didn't think I was gonna. Well, I mean, I guess I knew I was gonna spend something, but oh well. Hopefully it pays off, and hopefully I can recover it, I guess. But either way, I use it for my trading now. What do you guys think of this 5-minute flag on NRXP? NRXP, I'm adding on this 5-minute pullback here right up to this pivot here of that 190. So that's where I added 93, or I mean 90, not 90, 190, 93, and I'm looking for a $1 touch again. It's impossible to put stops on these things. Oh, I guess I almost got it right first try. You missed the dip on HKD. Oh my god. Well, you gotta look at the technicals. You gotta look at the technicals, right? You gotta draw a line. Look at this. Obvious support right here, right? Obvious support right here. Look at that. This is where you come in here. Hold on. This is where you come in, and this is where you place your buy order right there. And you give yourself some room of stop loss, right? So if you bought in here at 160, let's just say you nailed it at 160. If you nailed it at 160, give yourself about $30 of stop loss. So your stop loss would technically be down here, and you wouldn't have gone stopped out, right? You wouldn't have gone stopped out. You bought here and give yourself $30 of stop. And then now you would have made from 160 to 190 $30. That's a risk 1-to-1 risk reward ratio. So that would have definitely played out perfect. Jesse, the bureaucracy in America is ridiculous. Cost of a fortune to start a business. Man, the daily chart on Twitter is crazy good. SPY broke a new level. Twitter. What has Twitter got going for them now? What does Twitter got going for them now? Oh, because it's in a gap. 41. It's in a gap, right? Kind of. 42 up to 43 and a half is a gap from this morning drip. Anybody watching something I'm missing? I keep telling myself that I just need to toughen up and start adding bigger share size. and capitalize on now trying to increase my winning my winning profit. Wow, 41,000 orders on this stock. Somebody just bought 41,000 of Isla. Took a big long on Twitter. I want to start scaling back up and try to make more profit, right? I've had 6 months in this year and 6 months green. So I need to scale up and start making the big bucks. Tesla. Tesla looks so extended to me. Tesla looks so extended to me. I might even try another put spread just for next week. GOVX is like the zombie that won't die. It's like the crawler in COD that just keeps crawling to you even though you've already taken out its legs, its arms, and stuff. Well, I guess it can't crawl if it doesn't have arms, huh? Idiot. What do you guys think of Tesla? Let's take an analysis as a team on Tesla. Here's a 4-hour chart on Tesla. Don't do it, not here anyway. No legs yet, somehow it still jumps and humps in your face, for real. Look at this rising wedge on Tesla, though. Look at this perfect rising wedge on Tesla. Boom, boom, at the top of it. At the top of this resistance. How about I do a tiny one? Not a big one, but a tiny one this time. Put, buy, vertical. How much is one? Either I make $270 or I lose $230. My break even is 857. You didn't see me just click the send button. I tried a very small one. I lose $200 or I make 270. Just one spread, just one. Trying some NRXP. This is a nice little flag on NRXP. This is a nice 5-minute flag down to that 8 EMA. Oh my god, Tesla's dumping. Tesla's dumping! There we go, Zach. What was your entry on NRXP? $89. Your entry was 89. Nice, nice. Curling back up to $1. Does this one want to keep curling back up to $1? NRXP looks like the only play left of the day. GOVX is right back down to 2.3 and might just break out of 2.3. But NRXP looks like a good buy there, Zach. Good buy there. Looking at this pivot here now, watch. right here, 96 cents. We stopped there, broke out of it, used it as support. I want to see a break of this, retest of that. Or maybe even a small share size to cross it over if I can get a nice dip on this. Wow, it just broke right through it. 5 minute looks nice and volume is coming in. This looks nice. This looks nice. I'm looking at this 96 pivot here. First 5 minute candle making you high is way up there at 99, so kind of already looking at the dollar. Nice curl back up to $1. Accelerating to $1. I want to keep putting this pressure on this stock. So small, half share size. Okay, we get the break of $1. We had a very nice move all the way up to here. All we need is break this $1 and have break a new high of 102. There we go. Nice, 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 nice. There you go, Zach. There you go, Zach. What a nice entry, Zach. You got to be proud of that one. You have got to be proud of that one. Good job. I'm trying to hold. I'm trying to see. I'm seeing all of these sellers trying to pile it up. If it closes below 1, that might not be good. Okay, it closed above 1. Barely. Terrible wick though, but barely. Can we keep squeezing them out? Big buy orders again. Bro, who keeps spamming my YouTube chat with that stuff? It's annoying. See what you did, Jesse? You clicked on the link, so now they're like, okay, the link is working here. The link is working here, so now we gotta try it again. People are falling for us, so now we gotta try it again and get more people to fall in this chat. These people think they can trade the stock market. They're dumb. Obviously, they're the ones that are gonna click on the link because they don't know how to trade the market. They don't know what. GOVX. Look at GOVX. Zach, what a beautiful trade, man. Congrats, congrats. That was a very nice trade, Zach. I'm still holding a very small share size. See if we get through 105. Descaling out of this. A very small share size. I have 500 shares left, and I took 100 there just in case we don't break this 105. I'm going to fully cut it. I see GOVX, John. I see exactly what you're talking about, GOVX. GOVX, I'm telling you, Langston. Langston, I mean, he jinxed it. It's a zombie that just won't die. Look at this. But good dip buy on NRXP. I was trying to add on it here, but I think you added down here, and that was a place to add. 8 EMA touch, and kind of that double bottom right there at that 87-ish on the 5 minutes. Very good trade, Zach. Anybody else took that? Mercer, did you try to get on that one or no? Then get the ray gun. The ray gun. I'm fully out of NRXP. I only took that trade right there real quick. Oh, this is that song again. I love this song. You guys have to watch. Go listen to this song. Right here. You guys go listen to this song right now. So y'all can bob heads with me. Y'all got to go listen to this song right now. But I pass on that. Bro. Zach, I think on NRXP, I think it might be done. Look at that 5 minute and that topping tail. Doesn't look good, right? So I think this is time to not add on dips now. So we got our play there. We were able to capitalize on it, and now I think we took our profits there and got out of it. Are you an anime enthusiast? No, I'm not. I don't know why I don't like anime at all. Damn, I had bought the downtrend break. Every time. Did anybody go listen to the song right now? Anybody listening to it right now? I mean, maybe if it recovers, but the 5 minute looks pretty bad. 5 minute looks like a nice flat top at that dollar where it's at right now. Are you entertained by Ed Sheeran and Russ? Did I look at Sega? No, I have not looked at Sega recently. Sega just pissed me off, so I don't feel like trading Sega at all. Sega pissed me off, so I don't feel like trading it. NRXP actually climbed back up, but 5 minute looks bad, so I'll leave it alone. Not that it can't break a new high, but you know what? I'll make it easier for you guys because I need you guys to listen to the song. There we go. There we go. Now you got no excuse. Now you have to. NRXP broke down trend. The only play is taking dips off of one could be a thing that would work. Tight stop loss back up to 105. And volume, look at the selling volume on a 5. And then look at the volume now. Even the volume on the way up to 1, it was definitely less than the volume selling it off at 105. Yeah, this topping tail candle that went up to 105. Look at the volume on that. It's up to 2 million shares traded on this thing right here at $1. Hey Jesse, don't look at Tesla. Please don't look at Tesla. Oh man. STEM was a stock from yesterday and it's popping up again. STEM finally hit highs. I was looking at it right here yesterday. I had a trade, alright, I had a plan to trade here, trying to get this move. I didn't take it though, but today it is moving. I tried to tell you, but I wouldn't have listened to me either. Oh, did somebody listen to a song? Who put that fire thing? Aloe Vera. Did you listen to a song? It's pretty good, right? It's a good song. So, looking at NRXP 5-minute flags. Awesome song. I think it's pretty cool. This should not break out. Volume on the way up, light. Volume at that topping tail, heavy. Volume on the way up again, light. Didn't even close above $1. And now you're pulling back. So I really do not think NRXP has another leg in it. If anything, GOVX, the zombie's back alive. Look at GOVX. TBLT is actually making a nice move right now. TBLT trying to make a nice move. I really don't know how much TBLT has room to go up. This stock used to be $104 and dropped down to $1, $99 loss per share. And the 200 moving average, it's up at $34. And this is tough built, right? Yeah. Are they just a bad company or what? Otherwise, accumulating here at $7, take you back up to 30s in the future. That looks nice. Sega, you keep calling out Sega. What's wrong with Sega now? GOVX trying a new high a day. Bro, just GOVX is so heavy, man. This stock is so heavy. Look, spike up, flush. Spike up, flush. Break 250, topping tail, reverse. Right? It just seems so heavy. And it moves so slow. It never opens up. Ever. Even yesterday. Look at yesterday. This is not, I mean, you could take a trade in here, actually. I think that's where I took my trade. It pops up, right? Pops up a little bit, but it never pulls away. It never squeezes. Like even all these things. Previous day pops up, pulls back. Pops up, doesn't barely hits a high, pulls back. Pops up, pulls back heavy. It just feels heavy. Which is weird for having so much little float on this stock. Let me try to find Estig. Like it never makes a move like this. GOVX never makes a move like this. Squeezes, pops up, small pullback, rips higher. GOVX in this candle would have dropped down all the way back to here. This, boom, boom. I don't think I imported my trades again. NRXP, so far we're right on this one. Of it not making a next move. Even though it's holding that 96 now. But let's draw an uptrend. See where this is sitting at. Right at it. If it cracks this trend line, that's a short play on NRXP. There's a crack of that trend line on NRXP. There's a crack of that trend line on NRXP. Do not expect this one to keep pulling back up. You're on the backside of it now. That is not a good thing. I don't think I imported my trades after that last one. I think I lost a little bit, and then I think I remade it back. Up $170 today. So I had 2 red days. I kept them small, and even though today is a tiny green day, I was able to cancel those out. GOVX. Did you re-enter that play, Sniper Traits? Did you re-enter GOVX? $241. Why does every time I do that, my watch list disappears? GOVX, let's see, GOVX 241. I don't know, man. GOVX cannot move. Breaks a high. I think this was 253. Broke a high by a penny. $254 is the level to break. The ask is at 117, 120, 13. Alright, again, 123. 111 at 54. That cracked a little bit. Look at the asks stacked at 255. We're gonna go C3. Too many shorts adding. This will blow. That's what I was thinking now. I see so many shorts adding that if it really made a nice move, it's gonna pop hard. But every penny that it moves up, there's a new orders of like 600. Well, maybe like 4 or 500. It popped up from 254 to 255, and I saw 300 on the first one, 200 on the second one, 100 or something. Just different market makers, but all 254, 255. That's what I was saying, Zach. There's no way this stock has a float that it says it does. There's no way it only has 12 million float. There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go. A little move. Look at that. Bids at 258 are 50. 259, another 200, 300 shares added short. 258, just 200 there. Yeah, good job, Sniper Trades. Good job. Are you in it, Andres, or no? Are you in this play, Andres? I'm saying like this. You're 5K shares in from where? Where did you buy in? It's looking strong though, 236. Oh wow. Wow. Goodbye there. Yeah, you did. You called that 2-3. There we go. Start taking them out. There we go. There we go. Open up, GOVX. Open up. What is the next place for this stock to go to? 272, 285. We do have the high of 339. We got 3 and 339 way up there. Squeeze. Ooh, NRXP. Nice curl back on NRXP. It's at the top of that trend line though. This is moving so slow. I don't think I'm gonna trade anymore. You guys that took it, Sniper Trades and Andres, congrats. You got Andres. You got a nice low fill, and then Sniper Trades. You re-added at 241, which I was looking here, and it's a pretty nice level. Once you got over it and retested it, that was nice. So good job on that play, and way to stick it out to the end, right? Not again, Jesse. What did you do? What are you doing, Jesse? Oh, Jesse, what are you doing? I think I'm gonna call it a day. It's Friday. It's a slow day again. Hopefully Monday and next week we got some momentum. I think we had 2 or 3 good weeks, and I think this week was pretty bad. I think this week I had a lot of opportunities early on. Oh frick! I had a lot of opportunities early on. I got green almost every day, pretty good, over 400, $500 almost every single day. And the low volume in the rest of the day killed me. I gave a lot of profit back. Even today, I think my first trade I was up 250, 260, right? Way to be patient, guys. Way to be patient on this play. I was up like 250 or something. Can I block him? I can't click on their thing. I can put him in timeout. You're out completely. You guys have the diamond hands in this stock. That's crazy. You're holding 500 shares left. Awesome. You got your majority of the price out. Look at NRXP and look at that trend line play so nicely. Right? I was saying this is the front end, and right here I was like, this is the back end now, and this just confirmed it. Retest of that trend line confirmed it. GOVX, just got to keep calm and trade on, brother. I also took some Delta 8 gummies this morning. It's keeping calm. Yeah, good job. You guys killed it. I did think about entering at 93 there on NRXP. Would have worked. 93. Just because of the ADMA. Yeah, it was on the backside though. It would have been a quick scalp. Alright, I'm going to call it a day for me. Let me see. You did that the other day, made every mistake in the book. Sniper trades is calm though. Sniper trades is calm though. He's feeling good. He's feeling good. Trading good. Made it happen. The GOVX still going. Come on, GOVX. Give us that $3. This is pulling away. This is the pull away that I like to chase. If I see an entry, I don't know that I want to chase it. It's up pretty good, but now it's trying to really squeeze people out. Yeah. Nah, I'm not gonna chase it. I will enter GOVX at 301 if it gets there for another cool 10, 20, 35 cent catch. No chasing though. Yeah, I'm gonna call it. I don't want to chase it. Two small red days the last 2 days, and then today I was able to completely wipe him out with a small green day. So keeping those red days small was a good thing. Pretty much a scratch week, I think. Could have been a decent week. Up a lot early and give it all back every single day this week. But I kept them small and was able to keep a break-even week. So, got any plans for the week? Yeah, now I'm going to for the weekend. Now I'm finally going to finish setting up the whole thing on my course. Um, and finally pick a date and then promote it. It should be out now. I got the LSC done. I got the back end of everything done, I think, mostly. So put it out there and see if more people want to join the team, if more people want to learn. You have to start a hard volume profile seminar this week and hope it works for us next week. Good job, everybody. Today I will be heading out. You guys have a good weekend. Anybody have some awesome plans? Coach Show, brother, have a good weekend. Thanks, Jesse. You too. I'm still holding that spread on Tesla. Tesla below 857, 58 or something like that. I will make almost $300 next week. So holding on to that one. I do think Tesla is a little extended, and to the top of that little bit of to that rising wedge. So I'm gonna hold that for a little bit and see what happens. All right. With that being said, guys, deck marks by watching for the crack so I can short. That's exactly what I'm thinking. I was shorting on. Dang! Look at GOVX. A big old pop on GOVX. $3 on GOVX. Now $3 is very likely. Either I lose my profit like every day, or I can make a little bit more here. I can down. Trying to get $3 on this stock. There we go. Nice little pop there. 500 shares left. Stop above break even. If we pull away right up to 3, we'll hit 3. Since this candle squeeze here, we knew this is a nice squeeze, and this is where I'll like to chase it now. This is gonna break. This is gonna hit $3. Yep. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 298. We're almost there. Okay. Medically vine. I do think $3 will hit. So any small little dip I get, I might re-add to this play. We might not break 3, but I think we can at least touch 3 doing all of this work that we have done on GOVX. And this is a real squeeze now. So $3 is the target. Small ads down there at that nasty little flush. Seeing if we can recover from this flush. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. We'll see. We'll see. There's no way we climbed up this high up to $3 and never got it. I don't know where I took my last ad there. I'm only playing at small share size, so it's not gonna hurt me. I don't even know where. I think I added somewhere down here, pretty low. Pretty low, so waiting to see if it wants to keep curling back up. Looking a little bit heavier, but holding 800 shares. Price average 287, so I'm in the red a little bit because of that last ad. This is the pivot that is trying to hold. I will say that flushed pretty aggressively, but trying to hold this pivot here now a little bit, that 90 MA, and then curl back up. Elsewhere. Good bounce off of that. There we go. I do want to see where I added my last 500 shares. 287. Okay, so back up to where I added. Back up to where I added. That was a nice pullback right there. That was a nice add down there. I just had to be patient with it. I need to take this away because I hate these things. $3 incoming! $3 incoming! Nice pivot here to break. 94 break. Shorts were even adding down here again. We need $3 on this stock, and I think we got it. I think we're going to hit it. Bro, get out of my screen. Get out of my screen. I'm losing my mind. I re-added heavy on that nice little pullback there, and I was able to already take them off the table. So I re-added some profit there. Now I'm going to scale out of this as we get up to $3. 298. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. 400 shares left. I'll take out 100 right there at 198. Perfect fill. $3, 199. Selling at 299. $3 touch. There it is. There it is. We did it, boys. We did it, boys. We did it, boys. Oh, frick, what the heck? What happened? I clicked the sell and it sold and bought at the same time. Fully out, Andres. Sniper trays fully out. I added a little bit more profit. Sorry, that was loud. Sorry. Now I really am done. I felt that nice pullback. I felt that nice re-add here. Nice re-add here. Felt that pullback there, hold. Nice re-add there. Took them off. Nice trade. Small share size, small profit, but good trade. I like that one. I like that trade. Bro, we traded in sync. Nice. Did you take out your order at 301 or you still got a 301 fill? There we go. Now a decent day. Now a decent day, right? $300 on the day. Added almost 100 and something dollars there because I was up 170, right? There we go. There we go. Honestly, this thing might keep running. It took out so many sell orders from the last like 3 days that this stock was piling up, right? Look at this. Day number 1, 250 holding. Day number 2, $2 holding. Day number 3, $2, 230 holding. Day number 4. Oh, wait a second. We're squeezing them. Now, I did leave all of this alone. You guys took advantage of it. Good job. I like the momentum. I like the breakouts, right? That's where I know that the volume is in, and I know that that's when the stock has a potential to squeeze. That's where when I saw this candle here, this one candle right here, I was like, you know what? I'm interested now. I'm interested now. You could have taken, once that candle closed right there, the small little pivot there to 3, but I'm going to call it a day. I'm going to call it a day. 300 for today is okay. Looking a little bit extended. Good trade there to finish the day. You guys were able to jump in on it as well, make some profit. We all make money, enjoy the weekend, come back Monday, do it all over again, right? That's what we do. So I'm going to head out for this today, guys. I got some stuff to work on now officially that I got everything ready to go, I think. GOVX literally playing today. Paying today. Paying. Good job, you two guys. And where'd everybody else go? You guys are probably still watching it, I get it, but. See you Monday, team. Still playing GOVX. Okay, I'm done. I'm done with GOVX. But you guys have a good one, and I'll see you guys on Monday. Good trading, people. Good trading, team.